The papers say you call them heretics.
Is
that true?
Allow me to speak. Anyone that says that God forgets but then subsequently remembers, sikati jabita arjana la bara nyato tida arjana because ay musomi futu jene lalam sallallahu alaihi wasallam ila mahdi be wulale abenna aisha wulindila radiyallahu anha aya busa jeno busola ala ko mi yalon ka senata sanfata woro wuloy santola abubakar mu jalawleti umar mu jalawleti e ko accept as muslim.
But nobody is saying you must accept it. Nobody is saying you must accept it. Nobody is saying you must accept it. Believe in what you believe. Leave others to believe in what they believe. So you take it upon yourself that it is your responsibility to judge them and call them heretics.
Munta wulmu sombalo leti dino la karola munta aliyolu kitindi le foka pare.
You take it upon yourself to ban them, to stop their operations in this country.
Aliyenyin tali faye pour kawlu tong ke la kolu menu be tamandi kanjang kawlu belondi ke burka.
And under the laws of this country, that is unlawful.
Adon nyimbang kola lualu men belaring nimme yoke woni lualu mantanyola.
Itata alawla Iran yele Sunnah ya practice je. They will not allow you to practice your Sunnah in Iran.
But that too would be unlawful. That too would be unlawful.
Okay. So almanye nje kwenye mu attack leti Islam do kana janka ko moli ko Aisha betene Abubakar betene Umar betene alka ntel be faala la ngata bot dinde on melbina nal malike ku moli be nyolli bala jata bayila and ko sal kamo Nigeria le.
And you did not say. And you did not see fault with anyone who says that Aisha and Umar are idols and we are going to die eventually and leave young ones here. I agree with